guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, long time no see. You guys, it's September. A lot has happened since I last posted a video, which I believe was like May. But yeah, I figured I would come back and do a try on haul because I have some items that I purchased for like the end of summer and fall is rolling in, and I do want to start back doing hauls and such, so I figured I would get these items out the way so I can push through and start doing fall things. So I'm sorry it's been so long, but it's life. It is life, and we're just gonna jump into the haul because I've already been talking too much. So all the items that I purchased are from Pretty Little Thing, and everything is a UK4, US 0. If it's not, of course I will tell you. So jumping right in, the first thing I have are a pair of biker shorts. You guys know that I love biker shorts. Like, whoop, I'm literally wearing biker shorts right now. So these ones are a pair of Slinky bikie shorts. These ones are a pair of Slinky biker shorts. I don't own any like this, so I figured I would get these. And these are high-waisted, which I love. You guys know I love everything high-waisted. So I have these shorts, and with the shorts, I got this crop top, which is not a Slinky material because like really tight, double-layered Slinky items kind of compress you, and I didn't want my boobs to look any flatter than they already are. So I just got a jersey crop top. It looks just like this. Might be a little deodorant on it, but yeah, so I got this crop top to go with these biker shorts because I really wanted like a set, so I just made one. So I have this top. Next I have this white crop top. I actually got this out the petite section, so this is just a racer back crop top, white, nothing more, nothing less. Next, I got a pair of Sweatshirts. You guys, I've been eyeing these shorts for so long. They're always sold out, and then I did order them before my package got destroyed. Items were missing, and then I ordered them again. They went missing in my package, and you know, this is the third time, and I actually received them this time, so I'm super happy about that. But they just look like this, just a pair of gray sweatshorts. Like, who knew this was such a hot item? But they have pockets, they're high-waisted. These shorts are a really good quality. Like, these shorts, I need them in every color. They're that great. So yeah, I got these shorts, and then of course I got the same shorts in black because why not? So the exact same shorts, just in black. They have pockets, they cinch at the waist, they just fit really nice and comfortable. This is like a really comfy short, so you know, pair it with like a tank top, a crop top, graphic tee, like a flannel, like, you know, I'm here for it. So I have these shorts, and then next I have another set, which is kind of like a lounge around the house set, but it's separate. It's like they go together, but you gotta buy them separately. So this is the top. It's the lilac color, and it's a little ribbed bralette. Really cute, really simple. I actually have this in a size 0, but if they had a double 0, I would have got that too, because this one is a little loose fitting, but you know, here we are. So we have the top, and then I have the matching bottoms, which kind of remind me of like boxer shorts because it does have like this seam in the front, but really cute. They just look like this. They're ribbed, they fit really comfortable. So yeah, we have that. And then next I have a few dresses. This is the first one. It's like this green marble flame print with white exposed stitching. Really, really cute dress. It has underwire for your boobs. So we have this dress, which is like a it's like a silky material, but it's not silky. Very thin, almost see-through. So we're gonna see. We're gonna make this work. Next, we have another see-through dress. This one on the website was really cute. It's this sheer green marble beach dress. It's really long. It has a long slit in it as well. This is like the perfect like beach dress. Like, you won't be too hot. You'll breathe. It's sheer, it's see-through, all that. And it has adjustable straps. We love adjustable straps. So with that, I also got the matching scarf because I really liked how it was photographed on the website. So it's just a square scarf, and then you wear it on your hair like that. I thought it would be really cute with like my bob. So yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I cut my hair, have a cute little bob down. So yeah, I thought that would be really cute. And then I have this, I don't know what's up with all this marble flame print, but this is a purple one. It zips in the front, and it does have underwire as well. And it's like this really pretty purple mixture of like orange and yellow and like pink. It's really cute. So we have this little mini dress. Then we have a couple of t-shirts. I have this long sleeve turtleneck bodysuit, and it's in this Renaissance print. I've been eyeing this since last year, and they finally had it in my size, so I had to get it. Really cute. Like, I can't wait to wear this with like some leather pants or something. Of course, I have a graphic t-shirt because I literally live in them. So this one just says bad influence, impress nobody, and it has like these little baby angels on it. They have this one in many colors, but of course I had to get black. Might go back and get white, but I got this shirt in a size small. Definitely could have got a medium because I do want to wear it with biker shorts, and I like my shirts to be long enough to cover my butt because sometimes I don't always wear the right underwear, but that's neither here nor there. And then the last thing that I have is this long oversized flannel. It's just in this black and brown print. Really cute. It's nice and thin, so it's breathable, and since it's getting a little cooler at night, it's like low 70s, high 60s. This will be perfect to wear like at night. Really cute to wear over this little black set. But yeah, I got this shirt in a 2 because I wanted it to be like oversized. So yeah, that is it. That's all. That's all the items that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, I will link all the items that I have in the description box for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. And it won't be months from now, okay? It'll be soon. So, I'll see you guys. Bye.